Привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to share with you some updates from my life, school Speak Ukrainian, and tell you about my future plans. And I want to say привіт from the city of Austin, Texas, the United States of America. Yes, I'm here. And I came to conquer America and share my beautiful language and culture here. And yeah, also you can see that I wear this beautiful t-shirt, United People of Kherson, because I'm here. And yes, if you want to get the same beautiful t-shirt, check out my charity store, Buy a T-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. How did I come here? So guys, I got a Fulbright grant. Fulbright is the most prestigious exchange program in the world, and I came here to teach the Ukrainian language and culture at the University of Texas, Austin, for 9 months. Actually, this is the whole academic year, and I teach here two group of students, beginners and intermediate. Also, I'm going to assist the Ukrainian professor here, and I have already organized the Ukrainian speaking club, and I've been here for 1 week already, and I'm very excited. And oh my God, actually, yeah, it was my dream to visit the United States because I've been learning English since 11 years old, and I'm already 30. And explore it, travel, spread Ukrainian language and culture, as I said, to be the ambassador. And I think this is a very logical of my professional path. You know that I came to the UK in December 2022. I taught Ukrainian language at the University of Oxford in 2023. Then in fall 2023, I moved to London. I organized there my own Ukrainian language courses, and also I did Ukrainian speaking club with my friend Candice there, but she continues my mission. And right now it makes sense to come here to the United States, and actually 40% of my subscribers on YouTube, and I think more than 50% of our students are from the United States. And I want to say привіт to all my American students or subscribers. And if you live in Austin, or if you're going to Austin, please let me know. I would like to meet with you for a cup of coffee. And also I'm going to travel, I think in September I will be in Washington DC. So if you live there, we can meet, or maybe if you can host me for several days, I would appreciate it a lot. And I'm going to visit Washington DC, New York, Boston, Harvard, Chicago, California, Las Vegas, so probably Florida, I'm not sure. And well, please, if you live in this cities or states, and you can just meet for a cup of coffee, show me your beautiful city, or host me, I would appreciate it so much, because I think I will travel by myself, and it's a little bit difficult because the States is a huge country, and still I have very difficult adaptation here because everything is so different, even than in the UK. And yeah, it's a little bit difficult for me really, and I feel a little bit sad sometimes, but I will try to do my best to share my mission here. And if in your city, or if you know about some important events dedicated to Ukraine, or the conferences, or if you can help me with some tips or advice, whatever, my American friends, I would appreciate it so much. You can just send me an email. This is my personal email. So yes, and you know, I told you that my dream is to open the Language and Culture Center in Kyiv after the victory, when it will be safe for you to come to Ukraine and learn Ukrainian language, explore it. And of course, I will need sponsors who will help me to open the center, and I hope that next year this horrible bloody war will end and I will be able to do that. And this is, you know, like I have this path in my head, you know, like to share Ukrainian language, to get some experience. I got some experience in the UK, and now it's time to get some experience in the United States. And then I'm going to take all this knowledge and experience and implement in Ukraine and the Ukrainian education. So if you know some organizations of people who in the future will be able to help me to open the culture center in Ukraine, also I would appreciate your help so much. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm a little bit nervous. Sometimes I'm sad because it's just a little bit difficult, but I believe that very soon I will adapt, and yes, and everything will be fine. So yes, my dear friends, дуже дякую. Thank you so much for your support. If you want to again, if you support my YouTube channel, you're welcome to do it on Patreon. Дуже дякую.